9 Essential Skills that Teen Drivers Need to Master. Being a teen driver and taking to the road on your own can be a very intimidating experience. Being independent is wonderful on the one hand, but you still have a lot to learn before you can drive safely. Due to their inexperience, teen drivers are most likely to be involved in collisions, especially in the first month after receiving their license. Your risk of being involved in an accident will decrease after learning these crucial skills. 9 of the most crucial abilities a young driver can develop are listed below. By learning these 9 skills, you'll gain experience that will keep you out of danger on the highways. You'll be a safer driver if you understand how your car works, how to operate it in all circumstances, and how to drive it on the highway. 1. Understand your car. Every driver needs to be completely familiar with the vehicle they are operating. The following is included in this. You push the throttle and the car moves, but you should understand the fundamentals of how the cooling, braking, and engine systems work. How to perform routine maintenance. At the very least, you should be able to check the fluids, wipers, tires, and wiper blades. The ability to change the oil, brakes, and batteries is more advanced. 2. How to get ready for driving. You may not arrive there safely if you don't adequately prepare for a drive. Every time you drive the car, you don't have to conduct a 25-point inspection, but you should be able to spot a flat tire, an empty gas tank, and a broken headlight. 3. Understanding intersections. It's critical to understand how to correctly cross intersections because they account for nearly half of all collisions. You must be aware of traffic signals, road signs, other vehicles, and pedestrians because every crossing is unique. One helpful piece of advice is to always assume that someone will cross the street illegally or run a stop sign in an intersection. Just be careful, take your time, and make sure you have the right of way. 4. Parking. While driving into a parking space can be easy, some parking techniques, including parallel parking, require skill. Spend some time practicing parallel parking with anything from garbage cans to safety cones as markers in a vacant lot or street. After some practice, you'll feel much better, especially while attempting to park on a busy city street. You must be able to park correctly on a hill as well. 5. Highway driving techniques. With automobiles and semi-trucks zooming by at great speeds, highways can be intimidating to inexperienced drivers. They can be equally safe if you adhere to the relevant traffic laws. Only pass in the left lane. Avoid simply riding in it. Give yourself more room to follow. Avoid following too closely behind other vehicles. When changing lanes, look all around you and activate your turn signals. Don't move about aimlessly. Follow the direction of the traffic. Driving at an unsafe speed or slowly enough to cause an accident. 6. Proper merging techniques. The right merging strategy is crucial whether you're approaching a closed lane or entering a freeway. Take these actions while using an on-ramp to merge into a highway. Match your speed to the pace of the traffic. Look for an opening when using your turn signal. Before merging, check your mirrors and blind zones. Maintaining your speed, merge into the lane safely. Observe these actions if a lane closure or construction is causing you to approach a merge point. Up to the merging, use either lane. Maintain your speed as you gradually merge together like the teeth of a zipper. Continue through the single lane section. 7. Dealing with weather conditions. Depending on where they live, it could take new drivers some time before they encounter every form of bad weather, but everyone needs to master the fundamentals of how to drive in all of them. Avoid driving on flooded roads and be cautious of hydroplaning during periods of heavy rain. Reduce your speed if it is snowing and take extra care to maintain traction on ice and snow. With such low vision, even driving through foggy places can be perilous. 8. How to obey the law. The most crucial thing to remember when driving is to obey the law. Don't travel over the posted speed limit, understand what each road sign means, and familiarize yourself with the emergency vehicle regulations in your state. 9. Dealing with special situations. Depending on your driving routes, you might occasionally run into a few situations, but don't let them catch you off guard. Learn how to enter, depart, and yield at roundabouts. School zones have stated speed limits that you must adhere to. U-turns, before making one, look out for any signs that say they're not allowed. Since other motorists or pedestrians might not anticipate you performing one, pay close attention.